would you lick your man bar? Booty.
Hey, I thought we were just playing the truth or drink. Have you ever kissed a girl since being in your current relationship? Oh my.
Why would I do that? Not in love.
What? What's up, guys? It is a TAYE and TAYE official, and y'all already know. Yeah, so we're gonna be playing truth or drink. You sweating already?
I'm always sweating when I'm drinking.
You ain't even start.
And then the light is too bright.
You ain't even start drinking. Anyways, we about to play truth or drink. So we're gonna be answering some questions, and if it's true, then we gotta drink to it. He probably not gonna get all. He ain't gonna get no true answers because he don't even drink like that anyway. If y'all not a part of the game, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, yeah, all of that.
So the question I would have for you: would you lick your man bar? Booty.
When I lick my man booty.
Yeah.
We're gonna take a shot to that. I don't know about a shot, but.
What are you sweating? You fucking nervous?
We're gonna take a shot to that.
So the answer would be no.
Yes. So, have you ever kissed a girl since being in your current relationship?
No.
Okay.
I'm sweating. You need to get a towel.
Why? You don't like to see me sweat?
Did you even kiss a guy while you're in a relationship with your man?
Did I ever kiss a guy while in a relationship with my man?
Yeah, that's what the question says.
No, I haven't. I'm faithful.
Okay, so pass the next question on.
Would you smack your girl for $100 million?
You define smack as in hit you?
Slap her.
Like give you a peck, back you, like back on you.
I'll slap.
If I would slap you for $1 million, $100 million, absolutely.
Are you gonna slap me for money?
Yeah, we gonna get it. We getting paid.
So you gonna slap me for money?
Just said we're getting paid. You didn't hear that?
Do y'all hear this shit? So you gonna slap me for some fucking money? You can't take that slap back.
You just, I would want you to slap me too for 100. What you talking about?
That sounds like some toxic shit.
No, it's not toxic shit.
You can't slap your girl for no money.
Of course you can.
Why would you want to slap somebody for money?
Because we're getting paid.
Oh my. This man said he gonna slap me for $100 million. And I hope I get majority of the $100 million since I'm the one that's feeling the damn pain.
It depends on the slap. I don't know what's hard. $100 million. Have you ever wanted a foursome with your man? 2 girls, 2 boys? Or just 4 guys? Because it says have
2 girls.
Have you ever wanted a foursome?
So I would assume it's 2 girls, 2 boys.
Yeah, but threesome or twosome for me would be 2 girls, 1 boy.
Why 2 girls and 1 boy?
But that's what I'm saying. That would be a threesome for me. So you said you wanted a foursome. So a foursome for you would be what?
I don't know. 2 girls. I mean, so in my head, you probably thinking 3 girls and 1 boy.
No, let's say you're into girls. But what if you're not into girls?
So you would want to do a foursome with me if I wanted all men?
I don't know. It would be just like I said I wanted a threesome. Threesome would be another girl and me.
Or another boy and you.
No. I'm not into boys, so that can't work that way.
I don't know. This question for my man would be, have you ever cheated in your relationship?
As in this one now?
Yes.
No, I haven't. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Okay, so calm down. Calm down. Y'all, this is my bad. Like, not gonna do that kind of stuff with me.
Next question, have you ever texted someone else while you're in a relationship with me?
No.
Okay. Well, I guess you have your next question.
Would you lick anybody's toes for $40 million?
Yes, I would.
You nasty bitch. Sorry.
With $40 million richer. Just a toe. Ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it.
They say it's just a toe. A dirty, nasty toe, babe.
Again, we got $40 million. We can go wash our mouth, go do dental thing, all that thing with $40 million. You got going on.
See my bae lit. Comment down below if y'all want to see him more in these videos. Bae lit. Bae go take anything for some motherfucking cash. You better believe that. I don't know about anybody's toes though. You gotta look clean.
You gotta be focusing on money. 40 million. You're $40 million richer than we never had before. Ain't nothing to that. That's one. Have you ever told your man you love him during sex?
Have I ever told my man I love him during sex?
Yes.
I did. I do. And I will.
So babe, here we go. My next question that I would have for you is have you ever texted your ex-boyfriend while you were with me? I would assume that's a yes. So you take a shot.
Yeah.
This is interesting. Babe, you gonna get drunk tonight because that's a shot. So how did you?
Yes.
The fuck? Why?
Hey, I thought we were just playing the truth or drink.
Oh, okay. Ask me my next question then, man.
Have you ever went to your ex house while in a relationship with me?
No. Why would I do that?
You ain't gotta look like that. You ain't gotta look like that. You ain't gotta look like that, okay? Not at all. Y'all see this?
So like how we're on the ex, here's my next question. Have your ex ever texted you and asked you to go out on a movie date while you're in a relationship with me?
No.
No.
Not at all. And if you did, I wouldn't even accept it.
Okay.
Not at all.
That's fair enough.
It's fair enough? Cool. Have you ever taken another girl number while out in the streets? Like if you, wherever you was at.
Yes, I have.
And you taking another.
Yes, I have. Yeah.
Oh, who number you took?
A girl.
A girl.
We just.
A girl. So why you took a number?
Really?
See, so why you took a number?
Babe, you ain't drinking your shot. That's what concerns us.
Why? I'm still. We gonna change the subject. Why you took a number? No, don't try to run. Don't try to run.
Fuck! That's what we go.
Why you took a number?
Next question, babe.
No, we ain't going that. Why you took a number?
Next question, babe.
Fuck the question.
Next question, babe.
Why did you take her number? Did y'all talk?
Nah.
So you just took her number?
Pretty much, I didn't want to let her down. Next question, babe.
Comment down below if you believe that. He said he didn't want to let her down.
Next question, babe.
So she asked you for your number, or you asked her for hers?
Me. Are we doing question or are we doing elaborate?
At this point, we're gonna do motherfucking both. Alright, so my next question is, did you take her number? Did she ask you for your number?
That's not the next question. That's a follow-up. That's not the next question. Come on. Have you ever go to the grocery store and get approached by a guy and actually engage in conversation while you're at the grocery store?
No.
Take a shot. I believe that's a lie.
How you gonna tell me to take a shot?
Hey guys, comment down below because that's a lie. That one is definitely a lie.
So you ask me a question, I tell you, and then you say it's a lie.
Yeah, I felt that one. That's definitely a lie.
He want me to take a shot because he think it's a lie.
That's a lie.
Do y'all think that's a lie? So he asked me, have I ever went to the store and got approached by another guy? Comment down below if you think that's a lie. Team Tay in the comments or Team Ty? You want me to take a shot? I don't know why, because I'm trying to tell the truth. I'm about to get drunk, because that was his first shot.
Go ahead.
Have you ever thought about having kids with me?
Yes, most definitely. I don't know if that would be a question.
No.
Most definitely. Here's a question for you.
You want a baby by me?
Have you ever go get your car checked out and the mechanic guy is flirting with you? And it's a two-part question. Right? So that's the first part. And you say to yourself, let me flirt back so I can get a discount. Have you ever done that before? That's a shot.
Yeah, I wanted a discount. I think that's gonna be a shot because I wanted the discount. So I think, I don't know. Comment down below. Have y'all ever did that before?
Almost every lady done that before. Almost. Giggle with the.
My next question would be, my last and final question is, are you in love with your lady?
Not in love.
What?
Not in love. I just like her a lot. Or better yet, I appreciate her a lot.
Turn around and tell me. Don't have me thinking I'm just drunk in here and shit.
I appreciate you more than anything.
So you're not in love with me?
I think that's bigger than love. When you appreciate somebody.
No, the fuck is not.
Yes, it is. Because then you don't take them for granted. Like, I can go on and on with this. You do not take them for granted. You appreciate the little things that they do for you. So honestly, to me, that's more than love.
Do y'all think so?
Because love is just, I don't know, it's just a word that people just throw around.
I mean, you got a point.
Yeah.
But you could have answered it another way.
Nah, because at the end of the day, I appreciate you more than how I love you. I don't know if that's a love, because the things that you do let me appreciate you more. The simple things you do for me.
I ain't feeling it.
You never do.
So you're not in love with me, you just appreciate me. Damn. I don't know if I should feel some type of way about that question.
Maybe not.
You can't tell me how to feel.
You just gotta run with the punch.
You can't tell me how to feel.
That's it.
This is crazy. Whole time I'm in love with this man. So I guess I just need to appreciate him instead of be in love with him. Cool beans, I got it. So do you have one last question for me?
Yes, I do. Absolutely. I
He
do.
always got questions. He always got questions.
My final question, guys. The question that I have for you is, do I make you happy?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Elaborate when you say sometimes.
Sometimes you make me happy. So about 75% of the time, you do make me happy. The other percentage, no.
I guess I can give and take with that one then.
Should I elaborate more?
It's a 50-50. It's your call.
I don't think I should. Figure it out. You're not in love with me. So figure it out.
Now you get personal. That's crazy. You get personal. That don't make no sense.
So yeah, 75% of the time you do make me happy. The other percentage is a no. So I think we can give and take with that one. I mean, do y'all agree? I mean, not every relationship you're gonna be 100% happy. Or do you?
No, you won't. You'll never be happy in a 100% relationship. That would be fake.
It would be fake.
Most definitely.
Really?
Ain't nobody perfect.
I don't know. You think so?
Ain't nobody perfect.
So you think that would be fake if it was 100% happy all the
Yeah.
happy all the time?
Because ain't nobody perfect. We try to be perfect, but we're not perfect.
So you're saying that it gotta be arguments and all
Actually,
that
that's
kind of
good for a
stuff.
relationship. Argument is always good for a
So
relationship.
arguments.
Disagreement is always good, because when you find yourself and you come back together, then it's like there's a sparks to it.
So do you call it arguments or do you just call it disagreements?
Well, it depends on the person. If goes back to the person. For me, I would call it argument. For somebody else, they would call it, hey, we just disagree with you. So it is what it is.
Yeah, that makes sense too.
Yeah.
Comment down below if y'all enjoyed this video, and also comment down below Team TAYE or Team TAYE. Of course y'all gonna pick me, but of course, like we already know the other one's gonna pick him too. So Team TAYE or Team TAYE, drop them in the comments. And that will be all, guys. Until then, we'll see you guys in my next video. Right, do something.
Peace out.
He's so lame. He always gotta be lame like that. Face.
You're too few.